Actually, it's your call, bro. You know what looks good.
I reckon right in the middle.
I got a fish.
And there's like a 20mm space at the front.
7s are hard. Look at the vents, bro. The vents are crazy.
Yeah, 20mm front, 10 at the back.
Blow off was crazy on it. Can you walk left, bro? Bro, tell us about your car.
Alright, this is 2004 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. This is an Australian delivered model.
Australian delivered,
Australian
baby.
delivered. So this is one of 100 that was brought in that year.
Far
What's
out.
different about it is, well, the main thing is that it has a 5-speed transmission.
Yeah.
So if you're from Subaru land, that's a bad thing. But in Mitsubishi land, 5-speed is the bulletproof one. Or bulletproof to an extent. It's a Mitsubishi at the end of the day. So yeah, it is quite desirable for that. A little bit more bare bones. For instance, no climate control. Only one window. The driver's side has an auto window. This was basically a European spec car. It's got a rear fog light. The indicator is on the left.
Yeah.
Yes, and it was delivered to Australia, so that's the weird thing about it. But it's great. I've loved it so far. Still lots to do to it. And now it's time to get stick it up.
Let's go. Tell us the Tell us about the performance modifications you have done to this automobile.
Pretty much nothing.
Lies.
I mean, that's not entirely true, but in Evo land, this is fairly nothing or fairly standard. It has, from the front pipe all the way back, exhaust. It's just a 3-inch pipe flow cat. Intake is just a HKS pod filter, silicon intake tube, and that's it. It's still in stock tune. It's just the intake and the exhaust. Some coilovers, Hankook RS4s on some 18x9 plus 25 wheels.
Big old Brembos.
Stock.
Coilovers?
Coilovers, yes.
I knew that already.
Got the BCs on there.
Australian-owned manufacturer, designer and global marketer of aftermarket.
We're on reconnaissance right now.
That would be slippery. Dirt.
Scouting the track. It's all the cars on.
Oh look, it does come back here, bro.
Yeah. It's quite. There's a lot of dust and dirt on the track, so.
Yeah, hopefully that gets cleared.
Oh, this is. Yeah.
Chicane.
Needle threading.
Now, big
Whoa.
handbrake turn.
Hey, action.
If I cut both of those, it'll be fine.
You can practice. Wait, you can practice handbrake
Yeah,
turns. If you don't, like, if you're not gonna go for like.
There's barriers there, but
Wins.
there's curb here.
Thomas's dad. Hello, mate.
You're on the track.
The Corolla is spectating. Oh, what happens here?
Now, we go around the roundabout the wrong way. So watch this. You go to the right,
Yeah.
you've got to watch the curb.
Ah, true.
Now, this is a huge turn.
Oh, fucking true.
If there's ever a time, look, I think for lap times, you would just apex it late.
Yeah, cut in.
and then cut through there.
Oh, no, that's beautiful. You wouldn't even want to brake traction here. That's...
And then come out late.
What the hell?
Here, it's a red mark, which you can use to go straight in.
Oh, you gotta go right down here.
Nah, that's gonna catch you off.
That's,
You're gonna go straight there.
yeah, real slow there.
Oh, and a bump.
Yep. Where's the finish? He finishes here.
Yeah, there.
Yeah.
That's the line.
Gotcha.
Bang.
How you feeling about that?
That's all right. Some little scary moments.
Yeah.
Like very tight bits. And then yeah, you'd be like hard on the brakes.